Good day everyone, I am Manalyn Torres from Group 72. Today I am going to present to you our business research paper entitled Economic Factors Affecting the Consumer's Buying Behavior in Online Shopping in BSBA Students. So, the researchers are as follows. This study conducted by the third year college students of Northern Bukidnon State College. The researchers are as follows. The first one is Annalyn Torres, at 22 years old, a third-year BSBA FM student in Northern Bukidnon State College. She lives in Manolo Fortich and graduated in Manolo Fortich National High School with honors back in high school days. So the second one is Villabril Mary Grace, a third-year BSBA FM student of the said institutions, lives in Lingi on Manolo Fortich, Bukidnon, and graduated same as Manolo Fortich National High School back in 2009. So let's now proceed to our introductions. Online shopping has a huge impact on the way people live their lives, especially lately with the rise in technology and internet, as well as the start of the first secure online purchase. So, the internet is quickly becoming a commonly used item in daily lives of people all over the globe, and with the growth of internet, it also comes the growth of online shopping, which includes but not limited to shopping for clothes, prescription drugs, groceries, electronics, and so much more. The benefits of online shopping are becoming seemingly endless and have changed the culture and behavior of shoppers everywhere. So, according to Saho and Pardhan 2017, the economic situations of consumer has a significant influence on consumers' buying behavior. If the income and savings level of the consumer is high, then the consumer would buy a more expensive product compared to someone who has a lower income. Consumers' behavior towards online purchasing is influenced by economic factors, and this study was be able to identify these variables and estimate their impact in customers. So the economic factors variables such as personal income, family income, income expectations, consumers' credit, liquid assets, and savings affect the consumer's behavior in online purchasing. And now let's proceed to our statement of the problem. This study will investigate the economic factors affecting consumers' behavior in online shopping among third-year financial management students of Northern Bukidnon State College. Especially, it attempts to answer the following research questions. So the first one is, what are the socio-demographic profile of the respondents in terms of age and gender? So the second questions are, what are the economic factors affecting consumers' behavior in online shopping among BSBA students? As you can see, this statement of the problems will be discussed later in the result and discussion that is discussed by my colleagues. So now let's proceed to our significance of the study. The following are the important findings of the study on economic variables and other factors affecting consumers' behavior in online shopping among BSBA students of NBSC. The researchers was able to pinpoint the problem and determine which elements influence consumer behavior when it comes to online shopping. So the readers will be able to learn about the study and its problem, as well as the study solutions and recommendation for how consumers' behavior is affecting while online shopping. The consumer will be able to determine their purchasing behavior in online shopping. So next is the scope and limitation. The goal of this study is to see if economic factors have a significant impact on respondents' purchasing patterns. It also aims to discover how economic factors affect online shopping purchasing behavior among Northern Bukidnon State College BSBA third-year major in financial students. The scope of this research is limited to identifying the aforementioned criteria. The 106 participants in this study are the third-year BSBA students major in financial management of Northern Bukidnon State College from Kihari, Manolo Fortich, Bukidnon. The economic factor variables such as personal income, family income, income expectation, consumer credits, liquid assets, savings affects online shopping purchasing behavior in this study.
Materials and methods. The following methods are used to complete the business research. First is the statement of the problem. Second is significance of the study. Third is scope and limitation of the study, followed by review of related literature, research design, respondents and sampling technique, followed by research instruments, research methods, and after that data analysis, results and discussion, summary of findings, and lastly conclusion and recommendation. Results. For the statement of the problem 1, which is to determine the demographic profile of the respondents, which result with a total of 84 respondents from the business administration major in financial management, with a 76.2% female and 84.5% belong to the age of 21 to 25. For the statement of the problem 2, which is the economic factors affecting the consumer buying behavior in terms of personal income, with a 3.54 total average mean and 0.98 standard deviation, respondents practice and agree in paying bills on time. This means that the respondents are more comfortable managing their own bills that cater their personal income. That means that they are not dependent on their parents' financial support. In terms of family income, 3.36 total average mean, respondents neutrally important that the family approve first in terms of shopping online. However, when it comes to the family income, parents' permission must be granted before purchasing to avoid misunderstanding to the budget. First, the needs for the household. And in terms of the income expectation, choosing online shopping for buying product that is not available in nearby are neutrally practiced by respondents, with 3.35 total mean average and 1.00 standard deviation. This means that respondents are neutrally in online shopping because of the availability of the products. And in terms of consumer credit, with 3.31 mean total average and 1.05 standard deviation, respondents neutrally control themselves from excessive use of credit. This means that they have knowledge on consequences and know about credit. It revealed that the respondents are sometimes have control in their spending. And in terms of liquid asset, based on the responses in terms of liquid assets, 3.60 mean total average and the interpretation is agree. This means that the respondents are likely use cash payments in their leisure. And in terms of savings, having 3.89 mean total average results in agree response. This means that the students have the idea of savings when it comes to spending. Hence, it revealed that the respondents often save money than spending it on leisure. The result of the hypothesis is accepted since the result shows that the p-value is greater than 0.9108. This means that there is no significant relationship between the 6 economic factors towards consumer buying behavior. This conclusion points out that the behavior in online shopping of the respondents among business administration students was measured in terms of personal income, family income, income expectation, consumer's credit, liquid asset, and savings. It revealed that the students are neutrally knowledgeable about the 6 factors of economic. Based on the finding and results by the researcher, the following are the researcher's recommendation. First, to the third-year Bachelor of Science in Business Administration students, to the business owners, and to the teachers. And that would be all. Thank you.